Hey friend, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you that how you can create and deploy a simple web application inside your EC2 instance. Here, I'm going to use the Flask framework, which is a Python-based web framework to create the web application very quickly and very easily. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to use a simple Hello World web application, and we're going to deploy it, and we're going to access that particular web application as well. So first of all, you need to create a new file. Just write, give any name for your main file, which is app.py. Here I've already created the web application, simple web application, the hello world one. So I'm just gonna put this inside our newly created file. Okay, here you can see we have imported the Flask library, then created an instance for our application, then added some decorators, and inside the decorators we have added some functions into it. So what will going to happen, like whenever you're going to route for this particular base URL, which is slash here, which comes under the route, the decorators, then it will going to run this particular hello world function, and it will going to return this hello world string to the web page. And whenever uh, we are going to view our web page, we're going to have this hello world string written down that particular web page. Now the thing is, we are not going to run this application inside our local system. So here you need to put some parameters inside the app.run function. Here you need to put the host name, your port name, and even I'm going to put this debug equal to true. So you will be able to see that whatever things is happening behind the scene, and if we got some error, we could easily see them and try to figure it out as well. So I have updated the content of our application here, and the thing is we have to run this application. Now you can see that our application is now running. Now the thing is, you need to access your web application. So you need to go the main page of your instance, and here we got our public URL to access our web application. Now here you need to add your port number as well. Okay, so just put the colon and put 8080, and here you can see the hello world application which we have created. We are able to access it. So that's all. This is how you can create a simple Python based web application, deploy into your EC2 instance, and access them as well. So till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay motivated.